How to get a value from a Pandas DataFrame, and not the index and object type. Say I have the following DataFrame, which can be obtained through the following code. Now I want to get the value C from the column letters. The command line will return. How can I get only the value C and not the whole two-line output?
This returns the first element in the index/series returned from that selection. In this case, the value is always the first element. Edit. Or you can run a lock and access the first element that way. This was shorter and is the way I have implemented it in the past. Pandas index doc, pandas series doc.
Use the values attribute to return the values as an NP array and then use 0 to get the first value. Edit. I personally prefer to access the columns using subscript operators. This avoids issues where the column names can have spaces or dashes, which mean that accessing using dot.
You can use lock with the index and column labels. If you prefer the numbers column as reference, you can set it as index. I find this cleaner as it does not need the 0 or dot item.
Edit. Actually, you can just index the dataset like any old array.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.